Hey everybody, so right now I'm in Avalon, here in Catalina Island. So we went here by boat from the other side, like from ocean side of California. So I'm gonna show you around. Napakaganda ng island na ito. Super, it's like a paradise in California. So let me show you around, okay? 10 o'clock in the morning. So far, hindi pa masyadong maraming taong nag-iikot. See this, guys? Hindi masyadong maraming cars dito dahil nga island siya. Isa siyang isla. So, ganyan lang ang mga sasakyan dito. Pwede mo siyang i-rent. This is such a small island. Pwede mo actually siyang ikutan by foot. Pero, syempre, nakakapagod din. That little thing there is a casino before. Pero ngayon, isa na siyang theater. They charge $20 for you to be able to like enter that, like a museum. And makikita nyo itong sand na yan. Nag-i-start na silang maglagay ng mga mattings. There's the restroom there. Looks like European city to me, or Mediterranean. Kita niyo yan, napakaganda. Mura lang sana dito tumira sa California. Ang sarap na lang dito tumira eh. But then no, California is expensive. Still walking. Makikita nyo may public shower dito. Yan. They charge $3 per person for 5 minutes. Yung mga dinghy dock ang tawag dyan. So, nakikita nyo yung mga boats na yan. Isa dyan ay aming boat. And to get to here, meron silang mga maliliit na dinghy like that na ipapaddle mo. Tapos itatali mo dyan sa dinghy dock na yan para makalakad ka dito sa island. That. Yan yung paparating na yun. Ganyan. So they're going to the dock there. That's it. Ilan-ilan na mga sasakyan dito, like yan. And mga yan, pero very limited. You can see that, guys. Yung merong 100 on top. Yan. May bell yan na tumutunog every hour. So you will know kung it's 1 o'clock. Tutunog siya ng isang beses. If it's 2 o'clock, you just gonna have to like count. Nakikita niyo yung staircase na yan. I'm gonna climb that one. And I'm gonna show you what can be seen from up there. Okay. So, this is the start of my climbing. Go, we go. Okay, so may mangilan-ngilan na umaakyat doon. Okay, let's continue. Hingal kabayo na po ako. Masyadong matarik itong hagdanan. But I know it's gonna be worth it. See? Itong mga bahayan dito ay mga residential. So, can you imagine kung gaano kayaman yan? So, they can own these pieces of properties here in this island. They must be really wealthy, eh? I can look at this view the whole day. Diba? Tapos, hanggang sarap-sarap ng hangin. Ganda ng panahon. Isn't that nice? Okay, so pababa na po ako. This is better. Yung pababa, syempre. So, can you see that? Whoa. That's a real treat for my eyes. Right? One more time. I really cannot get enough. That's it. Thank you for watching my video. I really had a good time here in Catalina Island. Until next time, bye bye Avalon.